Hello, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist and medical director of Clear Skin Hair and Layer Center, Kannur. Today we are going to discuss about vitiligo. Vitiligo is also called as white spot disease or leukoderma in India. It is considered as a social stigma. Vitiligo is an autoimmune disease. White spot disease shows a major impact on social life, and many people will have a mentally stressed life. Let us know few things regarding vitiligo and society. Society shows levity on vitiligo. Person affected by vitiligo will not have any itching, burning, swelling, pain, but the way society treats vitiligo patients will make him more disturbed. In our daily aspects of life like marriages, relatives, job and society, separating vitiligo patients or treating like untouchable have become habitual. Hence, in today's society, awareness on vitiligo is more important. Why and how vitiligo occurs? Vitiligo occurs irrespective of age or sex. Generally seen below 40 years of age. Children, students of adolescent age are more likely to be affected. Vitiligo is due to progressive destruction of color producing cells of the skin called melanocytes. The autoimmune disease in which the body's own immune system attack by producing a protein called cytokines that destroys the skin cells called melanocytes present in the upper layer of the skin. Most of the time, vitiligo is associated with other autoimmune diseases like diabetes, thyroid disorders, lupus, alopecia areata, and so on. Hereditary factor may have a role, but only 30% of the people have family history of vitiligo. In fact, some say that any kind of trauma could be physical, mechanical, chemical, emotional, can trigger this depigmentation process of vitiligo. Let us know how to diagnose vitiligo. Vitiligo is more of clinical diagnosis. Though there are two methods to help in diagnosis of vitiligo. One is Wood's lamp examination, wherein the physician notices the white patches as shiny whitish color. Second is by biopsy of the small tissue of the skin is collected from the white patch and observed in the laboratory showing no melanocytes in the upper layer of the skin. Types of vitiligo. Vitiligo is classified into two major forms: segmental vitiligo and non-segmental vitiligo. Segmental vitiligo appears as unilateral patch in a segmental or band-shaped distribution. Non-segmental vitiligo appears as bilaterally symmetrical patches, often distributed in an acrofacial pattern or scattered symmetrically all over the body. It is the most common type of vitiligo found in 90% of cases. Non-segmental vitiligo can further be classified into following types: generalized vitiligo, lip tip or acrofacial vitiligo, universal vitiligo, mucosal vitiligo, and focal vitiligo. Now, let us know regarding the treatment aspects of vitiligo. There are three aspects of treatment of vitiligo. One is medical treatment, second is phototherapy, and third is surgical. Let us know today regarding the medical treatments of vitiligo. Medical treatment is by conservative method of treatment using various topical creams and oral medications present in the market. In treating vitiligo, topical medication, immune modulators, steroids or Sorlens and sunlight exposure is advised by most of the dermatologists. Puvasol light therapy. The Sorlen tablet are taken orally and exposed to sunlight after 2 hours. or by applying Sorlan ointment on the white patches and immediately exposed to sunlight. It is highly difficult to cure vitiligo only with conservative medication. Hence, further interventional therapy such as light as a source of energy called phototherapy and surgery is advised to treat white patches. Let us know regarding phototherapy. Phototherapy may be conventional or targeted. Now, conventional phototherapy, you have a PUVA therapy and narrowband UV therapy. Sorlan plus ultraviolet A called as photochemotherapy. This treatment combines a plant derivative substance called Sorlan with exposure of ultraviolet light panels to repigment the color. After taking Sorlan orally or applying it to the affected skin, you are exposed to ultraviolet A light panels. Sorlan is known to increase the skin sensitivity to UV light, including sunlight. Narrowband UV therapy. Here the light is emitted in a narrowband portion of UVB light range and has been shown to stop or slow the progression of active vitiligo. There is no need to take oral medication. Now let us know regarding targeted phototherapy. Two aspects of targeted phototherapy. One is a Davlin US FDA approved phototherapy and second is 308 Excimer targeted phototherapy. Targeted phototherapy is an exciting new technology which involves application of light energy directly focused on or targeted at the lesion through superficial delivery mechanisms. The main advantages are safety, ease of administration and suitability for difficult to treat areas, especially in children. The treatment is given once or twice a week. 308 Excimer. This is the most advanced semi-laser technology which delivers a perfect and stable narrowband UV light beam to treat white patches. This treatment is usually advised once in a week. Here we can adjust the NB UVB light beam to focus only on the white patches without disturbing the surrounding skin. Treatment given by 308 Excimer at early stage of vitiligo will have good results by repigmentation within 4 to 6 weeks. Some cases of vitiligo may not respond to phototherapy alone. In such cases, fractional CO2 laser is combined to have effective penetration of light to achieve faster results.
For more updates, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.